Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, a lot of progress is going on in Jamaica, and one of the major areas that the government is improving is the police stations. Now, crime has gone down significantly in Jamaica, and so the government is continuing to increase the resources of the JCF, the Jamaica Constabulary Force. That's the police force in Jamaica. So they are building some new massive police stations, bigger than anything that has ever been built in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on these mega structures. Ground will be broken for the construction of the new St. Catherine North Divisional Headquarters and the Specialized Operations West Facility in St. James, making the disclosure at the passing out of 294 new police recruits at the National Police College of Jamaica at Twickenham Park in St. Catherine. Minister of National Security, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang, said the two projects are part of three major construction projects representing a combined investment of more than 15 billion. The third is the Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters, for which ground was broken in March. Dr. Chang added that 5 stations are currently far advanced in the reconstruction process, and another 5 stations are undergoing the public investment appraisal process for construction to begin shortly. These efforts are part of our mission to provide our police officers with facilities that reflect modern security requirements and design features. Almost all of our police facilities have undergone some level of repair or renovation work to ensure they are functional for both police officers and the citizens who interact with them, the minister said. Noting that the level of investment in the physical infrastructure of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is unprecedented, the minister said that over the past 6 years, the government has sought to address legacy issues within the JCF and has implemented reforms, invested in training, fostered a culture of integrity and transparency, and embarked on the digital transformation of the organization. He told the new recruits that they are now part of a proud tradition of joining the ranks of the JCF, and they are doing so at a rather exciting time when the force is almost at full establishment strength and a transformation that is very visible for all to see. You are joining the police force at a time when our response time has improved, efficiency gains have been realized, our investigative capacity has been enhanced, and our efforts in gang interruption and interdiction has been increasingly effective, the minister said. Dr. Chang also noted that the new Commissioner of Police, Dr. Kevin Blake, is carrying out the transformation of the force, and he is sure that the graduates can all identify with the Commissioner, whose journey exemplifies a true Jamaican success story. He said that Dr. Blake's elevation to commissioner as a career police officer can serve as an inspiration to all of you, that any young, capable police officer through hard work and dedication can aspire to reach the highest level within the JCF. So that's the end of the update article. So a lot is going on for the JCF. So we will keep you guys updated on all the projects that they mentioned in the article. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.